In our day-to-day life, we see many moving objects. Moving objects are said to be objects in motion. हालचाल होणाऱ्या वस्तू गतिमान आहेत असे आपण म्हणतो. You can see in the picture, the player is continuously moving from one place to another. The change of place an object is called displacement. The trees are seen to run backward while you are traveling in a train. If an object is seen by an observer to change its place continuously, the object is said to be in motion. The continuous displacement of an object is called motion. वस्तूचे ठराविक वेळेत एका ठिकाणाहून दुसऱ्या ठिकाणी होत असलेले विस्थापन याला वस्तूची गती असे म्हणतात. If you throw a ball in upward direction, it falls. What do you conclude from this? The motion of ball is linear motion because this motion of a ball is in the same direction in straight line. The motion of soldier in a parade is in the same direction. During that period, not even a slight difference is seen. The bullet fired from gun follows the straight direction. Not a slight difference is seen in the motion. On the other hand, the motion of girl playing on swing is non-uniform linear motion. इथे आपल्याला गतीमध्ये बदल दिसून येतो. There are two main types of linear motion. Uniform linear motion, when the distance traversed by an object is along the straight line in unit time. The other type is non-uniform linear motion, when the distance traversed by an object along the straight line in unit time keeps on changing. The motion is called non-uniform linear motion. What kind of movement does a swing in the park shows? The swing always comes back from one end to other end. It takes about the same time for each swing or oscillation. This movement of swing is called oscillatory motion. The motion of body that is oscillating, swinging back and forth is called oscillatory motion. The hands of clock move in a circular manner. Similarly, घड्याळाचे काटे वर्तुळाकार फिरतात. त्याचप्रमाणे a giant wheel or a merry-go-round complete each round along a circular route. merry-go-round वर्तुळाकार मार्गाने त्यांची एक फेरी पूर्ण करतात. यासारखी अनेक दैनंदिन जीवनामध्ये आपण उदाहरणे बघतो ज्यामध्ये वर्तुळाकार गती दिसून येते. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, अ फॅन. The motion of an object along the circular path is called circular motion. We see from these examples of oscillatory motion and circular motion that some objects complete one round or one oscillation in a fixed period of time. For example, revolution of Earth. The motion of an object which passes through a certain point again and again after a fixed period is called periodic motion. ज्या गतीमध्ये गतिमान वस्तू ठराविक वेळेनंतर एका विशिष्ट बिंदूतून पुन्हा पुन्हा जाते त्याला नियतकालिक गती असे म्हणतात. Now you can see in the picture the flying of bird or flitting of butterflies from one flower to another, continuously changing. There is no definite direction to its motion. Such motion is called random motion. The motion of players in the game of football is also of this type. Motion of that changes its direction and speed continuously is called random motion.